At last, we have found it. The entrance to the temple sits high on the slopes of Mount Arimar, the final resting place of the heart of Typhaon. This place is ancient. Much of it has collapsed, and it is hard to push inward. Deadly traps line the passages, a terrible fate for the unwary explorer. The volcano stirs, and we feel the heat from her rising magma. The statues look on, indifferent. We have found strange stones. The carvings say they were made to seal the artifact away from mortal hands. We must take them with us. We must find the vault, open it, and retrieve the artifact while we still have time. But the Guardians are rising, angry at our trespass, and they will not let us escape. Then, as ash clouds our view, the volcano quakes. Terra 2, Inferno's Edge is a cooperative adventure board game. You and up to 5 friends must explore a tile-based volcanic temple to steal a legendary artifact. Work together to find and unlock the sanctum, avoiding deadly traps, scalding lava, and the temple's mysterious guardians. But beware, the volcano stirs beneath you, and you're running out of time. In the core set, you'll choose from 10 specialized explorers, each with their own unique abilities to help your team overcome the perils of the volcano. Your team will brave 30 dangerous temple tiles to find the 3 keystones, then use them to unlock the legendary sanctum and retrieve the artifact. Find the keys. Grab the artifact. Escape the volcano.